how will you explain this in just simple way of elaborating it?
Okay, thank you first, /math question.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to greet everyone. Good evening, advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So once again, my motto goes simple as this: if others can, why can I? So we all know that we have our own strengths and weaknesses. And to realize our weaknesses is basically a strength. And wherein I could say that before, I am frightened, or should I say, I have phobia on facing a lot of people. But through joining the side of pageant, I overcome it and I develop my self-confidence. And wherein I ask myself, if this whole at my back to join this pageant, what are the reasons for me not joining this as well? So I thought to myself that I can do this because I believe that in everything we do, God is always there. That will be all, and thank you.
Thank you so much. Carol is Katrina Halili, right? So what do you think is your characteristic or personality that the same with Katrina Halili?
Okay, thank you sir for that very interesting question. For me, as a homosexual, Katrina Halili is a good person. Katrina Halili, I reflect myself to Katrina Halili because Katrina Halili so very sexy, and I reflect myself to Katrina Halili because she is a very strong person. That's why I reflect myself to Katrina Halili because for me, nalalampasan ko ang aking mga problema in my own way. Kaya ako masasabing I am a very strong person. That's why I reflect to myself to Katrina Halili. And that will be all. Thank you.
Totoo naman. Katrina Halili sa Jason Almuete Lazaga. And you are impersonating what? You're impersonating who? Sinong ginagaya mo?
Eugene Velasquez.
Oh, Eugene Velasquez. Since ginagaya mo si Eugene Velasquez, your hobbies is surfing internet, reading books, fish, and gardening. What do you think is the benefits of reading books?
For me, the benefits of reading books